Hey YouTube, Blackheart 72 here. Today I'm going to do a knife test with my Blackheart Scramasax. Actually, it's going to be an edge durability test of just sort of railroad spike knives in general, just to see what knives made out of railroad spikes are capable of. So what I'm going to try and do is make a new handle for my ball peen hammerhead here, and the only tool I'm going to use is my knife here. And we'll see how well the edge holds up. Right now the knife is shaving sharp. So there's just a quick paper test for you. We'll see how it holds up. Alright, well, so far progress has been going pretty slow, but you know, I have been taking wood off slowly but surely. Just want to show you a quick test, see how the edge has been holding up. It's significantly dulled, but it's still cutting paper okay. A little bit of tearing. So not the best, but it's all right. Yeah, that's so. All right. Well, I had to take a break, recharge the camera battery. But basically, what I'm just doing now is I've got the rough shape finished. I got it where it basically looks like a handle, going for sort of an oval shape with some sort of hand filling. And right now, all I'm doing is just sort of whittling it down, smoothing it out, and basically just sort of putting the finishing touches on it. The only trouble spots are all these knots here, but other than that, the knife is still working pretty good. So my next step is just to sort of whittle down the end here so I can put the hammerhead on there. So right now I'm just going to keep on whittling. So well, after succeeding to break the end of my hammer, I finally finished it. Got it nailed on there. What I need to do now is extend the rest of the handle, because right now it's a pretty funny looking hammer. But I'm going to extend the handle and finish this up. It's actually on there pretty secure, so it's fading light. I'm going to see if I can finish it up. Well, I think I'm just about done with my hammer handle. I'm going to have to cut off this end here, but I pretty much got it where I want it to be. I'll probably do that later since I am losing my light. But before I end the video, I'm just going to do a paper test just to see how the knife did, or held up I should say. It doesn't look too good, does it? That wasn't bad. Some rip in there. Let's see. Yeah, so it's not, definitely not shaving sharp anymore. But it still has some sort of an edge, at least enough for basic utility woodwork. I think that's one of the benefits of the Scandinavian grind, is that it loses its fine edge relatively quickly, but it holds a usable edge for quite a long time. So there you go, railroad spike knife in action.